Hey friends, in my last video, I showed you why every great AI avatar starts with a reference image. Now let's turn that image into an avatar. And trust me, this is easier than you think. First, open your favorite AI image tool. Most AI image generators today allow you to upload a reference image. I personally use ChatGPT image generation or Google Gemini Nano Banana. But let me make this clear, it's not about which tool is best. It's about which tool is best for you and especially your wallet. Just be sure the tool you use lets you upload a reference image. Upload the image you saved from the last step. Once again, I am going to upload an image of my girl Jomel. Now it's time to tell the AI what you want to change. Maybe you want a different hairstyle, different clothes, a professional business look, a chef's jacket, a teacher, a coach, a content creator. The reference image keeps the foundation. The prompt changes the details. Here is the prompt we are going to use today. We are going to copy and paste it into your prompt box. You can take a moment and pause this video to read it, but I will also leave it in the description of this video for you to reference later. So with this prompt, we are generating a professional portrait, and the only thing we're going to do is change the clothing. Now, where the prompt says, update the clothing to your clothing style, this is where you will describe in as much detail as possible what you want your human avatar to wear. Now, what I want to point out in this prompt is this. Use this image as the reference for my character. Preserve the facial features and overall identity. This is noteworthy information because this part right here is how you will keep the face of your human avatar consistent along with your reference image, no matter which tool you use. So be sure to save it and add it to all of your reference image prompts moving forward, so the face doesn't drift into distant cousin mode. Now, to update the clothing for a professional image of Jomel, I might write something like a tailored navy blue suit with a white shirt, pearl earrings, white polished nails, and rose gold rimmed glasses. Now, let's upload Jomel's reference image along with the prompt and watch the magic happen. ChatGPT image generation is free, but there may be limits on the number of images you can create. Okay, here is Jomel's professional headshot. Wow, I think it came out great. This professional style image can be used as a profile picture across your social media pages and content. I would love to know in the comments if you are using ChatGPT for image generation. Heads up, don't worry if the first image isn't perfect. That's completely normal. Most great avatars aren't created in one try. They're improved a little at a time. You can experiment with the prompt until you get the look you like. Here's a pro tip. Change one thing, generate again. Change another thing, generate again. That's how your avatar begins to evolve. Congratulations! You just created your first human AI avatar. I bet you didn't think it was going to be this easy. And once you can do this, you can create almost any character you can imagine. In the next video, I'll show you how to create a digital twin using a photo of yourself. Can't wait to see you there.